Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today we had these delivered. These are Farmer Gracy's from the Netherlands. And in here we should have some Begonias and some Dahlia tubers. So there should be 4 Dahlias in here. I'll get these opened. Hope everybody's keeping okay. Have a little look, shall we? Without damaging too many of my plants. Don't want to damage these cosmos. Yeah, here we go. Farmer Gracy's there. Don't know what that is. Have a look at that in a bit. Then we have the first one, Penhill Watermelon. I love the packaging these are coming, absolutely outstanding. And number 2 is Linda Michelle Dahlia. Number 3, Belle of Bermeria. Number 4, Islander. So those are those. So I think all that comes in that packet is the instructions. Yeah, I get a nice postcard from there. Farmer Gracy's. So that's a nice little treat there, nice little freebie. So let's get these open first. Let's have a look at them. I do like when they come like this. It fills me with a bit more confidence that they're going to be decent tubers. Let's have a look at these. Oh yeah, that is absolutely outstanding. Look at that, nice firm solid top to it. There's some new growth starting already, so that's that one there. So look at this one. And these are late on. I normally start my Dahlias in January, but I've had a few personal problems. This one is exactly the same, absolutely solid. Wow, that is great, that. Absolutely outstanding, that. Thank you, Farmer Gracy. Top notch so far. So that's 2 from 2. So let's get the other 2 open. Hope everybody's keeping okay. The sun's just coming out here in the sunny UK, sunny South Yorkshire. Yeah, that one's exactly the same. Absolutely outstanding, solid, no rot, and that'll go into a nice plant. Brilliant, brilliant. Again, get the last one open. So excited. It's lovely getting nice quality plants, it really is. It's horrible when they're rubbish, but yeah, that's another one. Outstanding, solid, no rot in it. Brilliant. That's 4 from 4. Farmer Gracy, 4 out of 4. So, next one is, I'll just put this one to the side. We should have some begonias that I've ordered from there as well. I've not started any begonias this year so far. So we should get these open. Same thing again. Order sheets and a postcard. Thank you very much, Farmer Gracy. Do appreciate that. Then we have 2 lots of begonias. So hopefully we can get 100%. I think these are being packed by hand, chosen, sorted. So these should be nice and firm. There shouldn't be any. What? 3, 4. Oh, I've got a 3 one. Yep. Nice and firm, that one. So is that one. Nice little new growth there. And so is that one. So that is double mix there. It should go back in there. I shall start these today. Yeah, they will be brilliant. So that's double mix, and this is double yellow. 3 in here. So let's get these out. Yeah, exactly the same. Nice to see the new growth there. 1. Packed in wood chippings. 3 new eyes there. On that one. Absolutely outstanding. So new growth on them all. All I have to do with those now is pot them on and get cracking. So yeah, they're double yellow and the other ones are double mixed. So put them back in there just for the time being. So yeah, that's unboxing Farmer Gracy's Dahlias and Begonias. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask me a monkey. If you like our videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing, everybody. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.